Do you want to study in one of the best European countries? Then this video is for you. Not sure what to do after graduation, have backlogs or gap in your profile? In this video, let me talk about why Finland is the best country for January 2026 intake, what are the requirements, what is the budget, and how to apply and get an offer for the January 2026 intake. So, let us begin. Why Finland? Firstly, Finland is a safe and advanced country. It has world-class education with over 500 English taught courses. There is no age limit and the visa success is high. Secondly, affordable fee and low living expenses. Finland's tuition fee is relatively lower when you compare it with US, UK or Canada. The tuition fee shall be 8 to 10 lakhs per annum and the living expenses will be about 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. The public universities offer much lower tuition fee. Also, many universities offer merit-based scholarships. Besides, the living costs are relatively low and the students get discounts on travel, accommodation and food. Thirdly, if you don't have IELTS or have a very low CGPA, you can apply to top Finland universities. Or let's say you don't have IELTS. Many Finnish universities accept MOI, which is Medium of Instruction, to waive off your English language requirements. Especially universities in Europe, they look at your holistic complete profile, not just your grades. So your experience can actually become a benefit. We help you prepare your statement of purpose or your motivation letter to prepare a perfect intent to study in Finnish universities. At this point, we can help you start your application for January 2026 intake. That means you do not have to wait till the next September 2026 for your dreams. Very importantly, a lot of students want to take their spouse along. Finland is spouse friendly. That means you can have the opportunity to even travel with your spouse. Your spouse gets a full work permit in Finland, along with multiple facilities for your spouse and your children. Now let us understand about the post-study work permit and part-time jobs. You can work 20 hours per week and earn for yourself. Finland particularly needs skilled workers in tech, AI, business and healthcare. Also, Finland is one of the happiest and the safest countries, and you can start your journey today. For example, one of my students, Harsh, went last year after 4 years of gap in his profile. He got admitted to University of Turku, one of the best universities in Finland. So, now let us understand about the requirements for Finland universities. Education-wise, you need at least class 12, 60% to apply to undergraduate courses. And if you are a master's student, you should have somewhere around 55 to 60% in your graduation. You need a basic IELTS score of 6 bands. However, if you do not have it yet, you can apply conditionally or basis a medium of instruction. Gaps or backlogs will be accepted. However, you need to explain them very nicely in your statement of purpose. When it comes to documents, you need your passport, your mark sheets for class 10th and 12th. Apart from that, you need your graduation mark sheets and degree certificate. Once you get an offer and you proceed for your visa, you need to show your financial documents. You need to support yourself with the tuition fee and the living expenses. The tuition fee ideally between 6 to 12,000 euro per year, and the living expenses somewhere around 4 to 5,000 per year. If your spouse is accompanying you, then another 2,000 has to be shown. Now let's talk about when to start. If you are aiming the January 2026 intake, you must apply in an application window in the 1st to the 4th week of August. This year, very soon applications are opening up. So, how can you start? You can reach out to Wazir Group and we will evaluate your profile and give you the best option. Rather, we just don't give you options. We analyze your profile and objective deeply to meet it 100%. Once shortlisting is done, we help you prepare your file of documents. Additionally, we also help you create your statement of purpose, letter of recommendation or a motivation letter. What's next? We make your application and get you your dream offer very soon. But yes, we must apply very soon this year. If you are looking to study in Finland, you must reach out to us today. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to us by direct call or visit our website. Apart from that, till then, subscribe to our channel and stay in touch with Wazir Group.